Have you ever tried to buy or sell cryptocurrency on Coinbase and been met with an error message saying your transaction has been limited to $1,000? If so, you're not alone. Many Coinbase users are wondering what this limit is all about and how to get around it. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the 1,000 limit on Coinbase and explain what it is, why it's in place, and what you can do about it. What is the 1,000 limit on Coinbase? The 1,000 limit on Coinbase is a restriction on the amount of money you can buy or sell in a single transaction. This limit is in place for all Coinbase users, regardless of their account level. There are a few different reasons why Coinbase may have imposed this limit. One reason is to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Another reason is to protect users from scams and fraud. Why is the 1,000 limit in place? There are a few different reasons why Coinbase may have imposed this limit. One reason is to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Another reason is to protect users from scams and fraud. How to get around the 1,000 limit on Coinbase. If you're looking to buy or sell more than $1,000 worth of cryptocurrency on Coinbase, there are a few things you can do. Upgrade your account to a higher level. Coinbase offers 3 different account levels: Basic, Verified, and Pro. Verified and Pro accounts have higher transaction limits. Use multiple accounts. You can create multiple Coinbase accounts and use them to buy or sell cryptocurrency in smaller amounts. Withdraw your funds to another exchange. You can withdraw your funds from Coinbase and transfer them to another exchange that doesn't have a transaction limit. The 1,000 limit on Coinbase can be frustrating, but there are a few ways to get around it. If you're looking to buy or sell large amounts of cryptocurrency, you may want to consider using another exchange. Additional tips. Before you buy or sell cryptocurrency, make sure you understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrency is a volatile asset, and its value can fluctuate dramatically. Do your research before choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. There are a lot of different exchanges out there, and some are more reputable than others. Be careful when sharing your personal information online. Scammers are always looking for ways to steal your money. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.